This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Jeep Patriot door. First, let's cover unlocking. You can use your key fob to remotely unlock all doors with a simple press. Alternatively, insert your physical key into the driver's side door lock and turn it to unlock. If you are already inside, simply press the unlock button conveniently located on the inside door panel. This ensures all doors are ready to open. Once unlocked, opening the door from the outside is straightforward. Firmly grasp the exterior door handle. Pull the handle outwards, away from the vehicle body. The door should swing open smoothly. Always ensure the door is completely unlocked before attempting to pull the handle to avoid unnecessary strain on the mechanism. A gentle pull is usually all that is needed. To open the door from the inside, locate the interior door handle. This handle is typically positioned near the armrest or window controls. Pull the handle firmly towards you. This action releases the door latch, allowing the door to swing open. Then, simply push the door outwards to exit the vehicle. It's a simple and intuitive motion for a quick exit. Sometimes, a door might not open easily. If a latch feels sticky, a silicone spray can help lubricate the mechanism. If the door seems stuck, try gently pushing and pulling it while operating the handle. In cold weather, ice buildup around the door frame or latch can prevent opening. Carefully remove any ice. These simple checks can often resolve minor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.